Welcome to my channel. I just today I want to speak about option trading and little bit on intraday and little bit on how to trade and we'll just see how the conversation goes and about tomorrow what is going to happen tomorrow being Monday, what is going to happen. So today, for example, this is TCS shares. This is intraday trading. So suppose you are more interested in intraday trading, you can just see this. Suppose you are new to trading, so this is how you trade. You choose a trade option, and maybe you want to trade in one quantity. It's 735 rupees. So 3672 is the total amount. The share price, actual share. If you want a delivery of the share, is 3787. Okay, so this is the delivery of the share, and if you want to trade in the share, it's 3000 it's 735 rupees. Okay, this is for the intraday. Suppose you want to trade during the day in TCS, so it is 735. If you want to buy the share, it is about 3787 87 rupees. Okay, for 3672. So this is how. So suppose you want to buy the share, it is 3787, and if you want to trade in this, it's about 735. Okay, so that's the difference between the delivery. Delivery means you want to buy the share, and trade is you want to just trade the share, and you will be disposing the share by say in the afternoon. Okay, the intraday trading ends at about 3:15 p.m. It ends, so you do the trading. So this is how you do the trading. Then we come to options. Option is suppose you're opening a demat and trading account. You need to submit your bank bank statement, and you'll have to show your monthly income, and that's how you get into options and option trading. And so for option trading, I think for Zerodha, they want at least 10,000 to be deposited in your account every month. That's how you get into option trading with Zerodha. And with Paytm again, they want to see your bank statement and how much money gets deposited every month. Okay, so that's how it works for option trading. So option trading is these some of the this is MRF. MRF is this is the normal intraday trading you do. Okay, the MRF share price is about 71,000. If you want to buy the share, it's about 71,116. And if you want to trade in this during the day, you can trade in this for 13,805. So buy means delivery of the share. You'll get a delivery of the share to your demat account, and trade is you just trade during the day. It's about 13,805. So that is the little bit basics of stock market and little bit and there are some companies which offer dividends on the share. So suppose you buy the shares and you check for dividends, and there are certain companies who give good dividends, so you can look out for that. You can try to have the shares in your account, and you can get dividends every moment, every month or so. Okay, so then comes options trading. Before that, we'll just go dive into the future trading. Future, this is TCS future. Okay, and this again this the it's uh, this is the price, and suppose you want to trade in these shares. Okay, this is a overnight means you can trade in the shares for about say till March end. The end of March you can trade in the shares, but you will need to count the expiry. I mean, the last week is the expiry, so again the price goes down very quickly, so you need to see that, you need to work that out. So March is the expiry of this futures. Okay, so overnight means you can keep the shares overnight, and you can wait for the price to increase or like that. Okay, and you can wait for the price to decrease, and then you can buy the futures. Okay, so these are not shares exactly, these are futures. So you trade in futures. Okay, you don't get delivery of shares, something like that. Okay, there's no use of clicking on the intraday option for futures. You can just keep overnight option, and you can trade, and if you want to sell during the day, you can sell during the day. Okay, so that's the thing. So this is the futures. Now this is the HDFC Bank. This is again intraday share intraday. If you want to trade in HDFC, so you buy the share. It's about 1,480 rupees. Okay, and then suppose you want to take the delivery means you want to buy the share. It's about 1,526, and if you want to trade in the share, it is about 296. Okay, during the day you can trade in the share. Okay, so if the amount is low, then if this the amount is low, then you can consider this is a very high risk trade. So if the amount is a little bit high, then it is a low risk trade. Okay, so by this trading amount you come to know that whether it's a high risk or a low risk. Okay, so that is the thing. And if you want to buy the share, you can, if you want to trade the share, like say 10 shares, you can type your 10 shares, then you can write the custom price. Okay, so suppose the share goes down by 20 rupees. So if you're expecting the share to go down by 20 rupees, you can type your 20 rupees and wait for the share to go down by 20 rupees, and then you can buy it during the day. Okay, and wait for the maybe by if the share goes to 1,465, then you earn about 5 rupees per share. So that's how it is. Okay, so that is the normal intraday trading. Okay, now what I do is I do option trading. So option trading, this is option trading. I do the index option trading. I don't do trading in stock options. Stock option is suppose for example like TCS, like we have this index trading like Nifty and Bank Nifty, and there is also stock options, stock options trading, like we have SDFC Hindalco option trading. Okay, so I don't do in that because it again Nifty, my main reason of not doing that is because Nifty is mostly an index in which I trade, so I don't have any issue with that, and volatility is good, and there's a good fluctuation of price. So I usually do index. I'm comfortable with the index. Okay, and I don't want to shift to Bank Nifty because I'm more comfortable with Nifty. Okay, and whenever I've done Nifty trades, I've always it's been a success, and so I just prefer Nifty. Even in Bank Nifty it's been a success, but then Bank Nifty is very volatile and the range is too big. So suppose Nifty increases by say 400 points, Bank Nifty will increase by say 1600 points or sometimes 1000 points. So that's a difference Bank Nifty makes. So sometimes the volatility, sometimes it's I mean sometimes you can trade in that. Then it depends upon your comfort level. If you are very good with Bank Nifty, you can trade with Bank Nifty, and usually I prefer Nifty, and I take some trades, I do some trades, and my targets are not very high, so I keep very low targets, and my risk also is I just keep low. And basically Nifty is little bit, it is like it's very, it's somehow like I feel Nifty is little bit, though Nifty is a benchmark index for Bank Nifty. I feel Nifty is a benchmark index for Bank Nifty. Nifty is slightly slow, and you can catch the range little bit easily, but Bank Nifty it gives a very big range. So for example, it will be like 100 points up, 200 points up, and it's very quick. So sometimes you don't understand that this. So right from the beginning I've been trading in Nifty, so I keep continuing in Nifty because I don't want to keep changing. So okay, I just want to say something about that part also, that if you keep changing things in options, suppose for example you are working on a strategy, and in that strategy you're successful, and suddenly you change the strategy, then there are chances of you losing out on something. So I don't want to sound negative, but then stick to your strategy. And there are a lot of things, what people say and tell on the internet, and say a lot of things, but try to stick to your strategy. If your comfort level is with a particular strategy, stick to that. Okay, and the moment you are independent in trading, you earn a big amount of money. So if you want to do some big trade, you want to be very successful, you have to be independent, and somewhere down the line you have to decide for yourself how to do the trading. Okay, and that's the thing actually. And And second thing is that a lot of traders, they tell you a lot of things. Like I usually don't put stop loss in my trading. I don't prefer, because stop loss sometimes hits and your trade goes neutral. So I don't want to put stop loss. I just wait. If there is a slight higher fluctuation, I don't mind higher fluctuation, but I don't put stop loss. Okay, but because I know that when I put the price, it hits the price, and I don't want to take the risk of putting stop loss. I find stop loss more risky. Okay, and I take very low risk. I don't take very high risk, and I don't go for big gains. I'm taking very small, because right in the beginning, when you start trading, you need to learn one thing, is that you need to try and not to take big risks. Big risks, don't take big risks. Work on low risk and low profits. Okay, and when you increase your capital, when the capital keeps increasing and increasing and increasing, then you take little bit of risk here and there, and work out for big profits. So I've uploaded a video on that. I've got my paid Telegram channel, so I've uploaded a video like how to uh, work out on big profits. Okay, and that's, I tell you, it's a very good, whatever I'm doing it, it's too good. It's very good video, and you can just go through it again and again. So uh, these things, what I have practiced, I have not copied from anyone, or I have not done. I've just worked out on my own, and these things has really benefited me. Only one or two points, maybe I've got some info from somebody about how to grow your wealth, because that was the thing I was not understanding in the past. But then I understood like how to grow your wealth. And one more point what I understood was that whatever profits you make, these are not small profits. So sometimes if you make even 4% profit, it's not a small profit. Even if you make 100 rupees or 200 rupees, not small profit, it's a good profit. So I try to stick to small profits. I even if it is like, say, whatever amount I've even made, I made good amount of profits. But I don't want to discuss at this point of time, because I'm just making a video mostly on information I want to give about the different kinds of trading or basics of stock market. So I made good amounts of money, but then I will discuss it in the later in another video or something like that. If I make it, maybe I'll show it live. How I did it actually. So what you need to do is, you need to first of all work on, if you're a new trader, you need to work on low risk, low profit, less profits. Okay, don't go for very high profit, go for less profit. And you need to understand that most of the traders who try to uh, uh, show you the profits and all the things what they show on the internet is basically due to scalping. Okay, it is not due to proper risk management or due to some other kind of trading. Actually they do is scalping. Even if they earn 6 lakhs or 20 lakhs or 30 lakh, they are doing scalping. Okay, so there is another way of trading, okay, in which you can use a less amount of money, and you can grow your account like anything. Okay, and I have put that video in my Telegram channel. So if you are interested, the details of that is in the description, and you can check the description. Okay, those are very good videos. And it's about, basically, you play with the risk management. Okay, if you want to get very high profits, or you want aiming for very high income, you have to play with risk management. So risk management should be, you should have a proper risk management. Okay, so I have covered that topic in my Telegram channel, so you can go through that. And what I want to say is that a little bit on this, coming back to Nifty. This is Nifty, Nifty 24th March is the expiry date, and this is out of money put option. Okay, so we'll just check the at the money put option. At the money, we'll just check that. At the money, this is the Nifty index. It is 17,287. So at the money would be 17,300. Okay, so we'll go to 17, not 17,300, 17,250. We'll just go to 17,250, and we'll see what is the price. Okay, 17,250 will type. Okay, this is the call on. We can go from the other way also, but then I thought that I'll go from this. I'll just type it and I'll just show you. So it's about 234. 235. Okay, so 235, and the put option is again 175. 175 is the put option. Okay, so this is the thing. And in the money is again, you have to go to 200. Okay, so if you go a little bit back, and so this is the in the money option, so it's 260 to 25. Okay, or you can go to 17,100 call option. 17,100, sorry, so 17,100 call option is, it's the in the money option. So anything you want to play with this, you can also play with this. So suppose for example this 333, and it is about it comes to about 16, almost over 16,400. Okay, this numbers are looking very small, I'm sorry about that. Okay, it's coming to 16,000. Okay, I'll just you need to work this out properly, because you cannot just invest 16,400 directly in this, because what happens is the option, because this is the last day of expiry. Okay, so what happens during the last day is that the options tend to decay. Okay, so 16,420, I'll just show you a trick in this. Okay, so this is about 50 one lot consists of 50 options. Okay, so I'll show you a trick. So what we'll do now, we'll take say suppose tomorrow the put option is gone up. Okay, so put option is gone up right in the morning itself. So this is 333. So what you need to do is, sorry about this. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, all this thing is open. Okay, I'll just open this calculator. Okay, so 333, and so if you remove 70% of this, it comes to about 99 rupees, 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees. Okay, so you have to wait, till, so because the decay is so fast that you have to wait. So this is about 5,000. Okay, this is about 5,000. So if you put this 333 is about, it's calculating, it's about 16,650, and if you remove 70% of this, it's about 5,000, so it's 100. Okay, so you need to understand, like suppose if the market suppose tomorrow the call option, suppose the call option is say decayed by 70% in the morning itself, so it comes to 100 rupees. So you can work that out, like where you want to invest or what point you want to invest. You can work that out, percentage wise. Okay, so you need to look for tricks, and because the stock market offers you a lot of tricks, so you need to look for where you can find where you can find a loophole, and where you can take advantage of that. You can do that, and you need to be careful also. Okay, so this is the in the money option. So out at the money is 250, because the index is about 217,282. So in the money is, at the money is 17,250 call option and put option. So if you want to go for put option in the money, it will be more. Okay, it will be 17,300 in the money, or 350. Okay, we'll take 350, 17,000. Okay, put option. So you'll have to practice that. Okay, it will not come easily. You'll have to practice that in the money, at the money, out of the money. Usually I usually do out of the money. I wait for good momentum, and I usually do out of the money. And the only thing about out of the money is that it's little bit it's very high on risk, and in the money is not so much of a risk. In the money, or at the money is not that much of a risk. But any which way is the option trading, out of the money or in the money, at the moment money, based on your knowledge, if you don't have the right kind of knowledge or experience, then everything is risky. So what you need to do is, you need to observe a lot, and you need to understand that, you need to do a lot of observation. Okay, and understand that, understand the way the market is moving, and understand a lot of things, lot of things. sometimes you might feel that okay, I've understood everything, it's all piece of cake, but then you still need to learn, keep learning on daily basis. Okay. And just stick to certain basic principles, stick to your strategy, and once you're independent, you will make good amount of money. Okay. So this is what are the basics of like little bit of stock market, basics of stock market. So if suppose you are interested in buying some shares of SDFC, you just type SDFC, you have open a demat account and a trading account, you type as if you want to trade, or you want to just open a demat account, so you buy SDFC bank shares and at this price. If you want to buy some, if you are interested penny stock or something, so I've got this one penny stock here, AGR, so you buy this. So this is 220, so the price is 227, you can buy about 1000 or 10,000. Okay. So lot of options are there, you can work it out. And so this is the thing. And if you're interested in buying some mutual funds, you can buy mutual funds, you can buy mutual funds, and you can invest in mutual funds. So there are different mutual funds, index funds. Okay. So you can invest in this, any of the mutual funds. Okay. So mutual funds, we'll just see what mutual fund is giving. It's about giving 15% returns. So if you're investing 1000 and you're investing 1000 every month, okay, the same principle you can apply for option trading. You can invest say 1000 every month, and you can get more out of option trading, but you need a lot of practice for that. Okay. So if you invest 1000 every month, and this is the returns what you get. Okay. This is the returns. It's every month you get returns, you get every month you put 1000, and this is how your money grows. Okay. I'm sorry, I said every month you get 15%. No, I got mixed up with the option trading. So this is you need to keep it minimum for 3 years or 5 years to get good amount of returns. So in 1 month, no, 3 months, 1 year. Okay. So you need to, it's given about 18% 18% something. Okay. So you have to, even when you're doing this trading, when you're doing this trading in stock market, if you're doing trading in stock market, you need to, what you need to do is, if you're doing trading in stock market, what you need to do is you need to work it as a mutual fund. A mutual fund, every month they're asking you to invest, you invest every month some money, and you trade, you keep trading, you practice trading, and work that out, and you can grow your money. And I've also posted some more details in the Telegram channel, so if you want to really go through it, and it's very helpful, and it will help you to grow your account. Some basic tips what I've learned and what I follow, it's really helped me. Okay. So these are the things. If you have anything else you want to know more about, I can make video of that, and you can just write to me in the comments. And if you have any queries or any doubts or any questions, I can you can write in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you out with that. Okay. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll give you very good updates, and I'll see that you're informed in everything. Thank you.